annual leave po namin ngayon at pupunta kami na
Oxford.
punta kami Oxford guys. So sa may Oxford.
Malapit sa London. 3 hours from Exeter. By train.
Yep. So nasa train kami ngayon. Ilang hours yung trip? 3 hours na? 3 hours.
May ano ako. Dito kumuha si BBM ng certificate.
Puntahan namin yung yung ina-allege na school ni BBM sa Oxford. So dyan daw siya graduate sa isang university sa Oxford. So i-check namin saan yan guys. So ano oras na?
Already 6:50.
6:58. Okay guys, tingnan natin kung maganda ba yung Oxford. I think maganda siya. Kasi ano siya, parang university town siya, di ba? Marami din mga magagandang
There
building.
for a night only. It's just a small place.
Yep.
Malibot mo lang siya in one day.
Yep. Ito yung train, no? Walang tao. Ayan. Walang tao ang train. Yan yung view.
It's frosty outside. It's -3.
Yep.
Yeah.
Patapos ng winter guys. Pero
Almost
medyo
done.
malamig pa rin. See ya later. Hello, we're in Oxford. Whee! It's a nice and sunny day.
Yes, it's still cold.
Yep. Saan tayo punta?
Let's try this first. Oxford Castle. But there's a ticket. Research though how much.
Okay, so we're going to Oxford Castle, guys. Guys, ito ang Oxford Castle and Prison. 20 pounds daw ang entrance. Check natin kung okay ba. Yun. 20 pounds. Guys, mahal ang entrance, 20 pounds. So sa labas lang kami. So old prison daw to. Yan.
So, we're just looking for free places.
So prison daw to noon. Jail. Previous jail. So guys, 15 pounds for lunch. 15 pounds.
sushi. It's a Friday today. We're not allowed to eat meat. Because of the Lent season. So we had salmon sushi and vegetable gyoza with noodles.
Guys, nasa covered market kami here in Oxford. So basically mga store siya na nasa covered area. So may mga fresh vegetables, may mga bakery, wet market. So mga independent restaurants and shops yun nandito. Ganda guys. Check nyo. Ha? Baba. What can you say about the coffee?
This coffee is the best coffee I've tasted. Like this is voted as the best coffee here in Oxford. It really tastes good.
Yep. We're at the price. How much is it?
$4.80. It's already oat milk.
Guys, maraming store dito. Maraming restaurant. May mga Thai restaurant, Moroccan restaurant, Lebanese restaurant, Pin. Sige, pasok tayo.
Yeah, we will eat here again tomorrow.
Kasi Friday ngayon, limited yung food kasi nga 'di ba, Holy Week guys. So,
Holy week,
Lent season pala guys.
So, yeah, we only eat seafood or veggie. So, tomorrow na lang.
So lumabas na kami ng covered market ng Oxford. Pupunta kaming Radcliffe, ano to? Church?
Radcliffe Camera.
Radcliffe
Uy,
Castle?
Okay, okay.
Radcliffe Castle?
Picture mo.
Ha? So guys, nandito kami sa
This is the Radcliffe Camera.
yeah.
Yeah, this one nice.
At
And
ito
on the
ang
other side is the University Church of St. Mary the Virgin.
guys, I think Catholic Church yung Oxford University Church.
Di man na Oxford University Church.
Ano di ay? University Church St. Mary Virgin. So mga kudoks, nandito kami sa Bodleian Libraries. Pero hindi ako sigurado kung tama ba yung pronunciation. Kung Bodleian ba or Bodleian. I don't know. Yan. May bayad ba? So sa labas na kami ng library kasi may bayad.
Bakit may bayad yung library?
May bayad ba?
Kasi ticket holders lang
Ah.
at this point.
So sad guys, para may bayad yung Bodleian Library. So sa labas na kami para free. Yan. 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 Ganda guys. Sarap guys. May bayad ang Bodleian Library.
Budlay.
Budlay gid. Mga taga Sub-Saharan lang kasi kami.
Hindi man taga Mindanao.
Taga ano ko pala, Singapore with Melbourne like
Teachers.
teachers.
Closest.
Mga kudoks, yan yung Bridge of Sai. Meron sa bridge na yun. Ano meron sa Bridge of Sai? Sai, S-I-G-H. Parang Bridge of... Parang ganyan? Bridge of...
I'm already old.
So guys, ito yung first free na mapapasukan namin dito sa Oxford kasi halos lahat may bayad.
May bayad or either close because of a private event.
So ito guys, free. Ashmolean Library.
No, museum.
Ashmolean Museum. Let's go. So guys, nasa University of Oxford Museum kami. Free. Another free place. Free na naman ba?
Basta free. Pasok tayo.
Maganda dito guys kasi free na naman ang museum. So, pinasok namin. So, Natural History Museum siya ng University of Oxford. So, maganda guys kasi free. guys, nasa hotel na kami. So, yung hotel namin ngayon ay Easy Hotel. I think this is owned by EasyJet. Yung usual na sinasakyan namin. Ito yung room, guys. Turn it on. Pakita natin yung hotel. Budget hotel pala to, guys. So, basic na basic lang yata ito na hotel. Pero I think okay lang. So clean and so good. Oh. Di naman. Di siya motel. Hotel siya. So, may view naman eh. Ayan.
We choose an island though.
Whew. Open, open.
It's not gonna open.
Yun. Okay naman yung view, guys. Ganda na view. View. May salamin. May CR. Yan. Okay naman. Okay naman, be. Yung Hello mga kudok. So it's our second day here in Oxford. Saan tayo pupunta?
Going to the Oxford cruise. We're not gonna ride. We're just gonna have our breakfast there.
Kasi mahal, guys. Meron kasi dito parang pwede ka mag-boat sa parang river. Tapos 20 pounds no per person. 25 pounds. So mahal.
Yeah.
So,
We'll just have coffee or breakfast there.
So sa ano lang kami, sa side lang kami ng river. Tapos mag-chill lang kami doon sa restaurant.
Yeah.
Kasi mahal. So guys, maganda dito sa Oxford. So nandito yung sikat na yung university nga, yung pinakita namin kahapon na video. So malaki yung Oxford University. So, maraming students, usually mga young population yung nandito. So maraming foreigner na students.
Different races.
Iba't ibang race. At nandito yung anak ni Pacquiao. Dito ba?
I think so. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Not sure. So, maganda dito, guys. Malapit na to siya sa London, actually. Itong city na to ng Oxford. So, accessible siya from London. So, kung pupunta kayo ng London, pwede kayong mag-segue dito sa Oxford. Kasi malapit lang siya. Para makita nyo itong mga magagandang, may mga castle, university, at
If you are a fan of Harry Potter, they have a lot of places here where they shoot their scenes.
Ganon ba?
But we are not a fan, so it's okay.
May napuntahan ba tayo Harry Potter? Okay. So, yun yung plano, guys. Punta kaming river, Thames, tapos magko-coffee doon, tsaka kakain, tapos maglalakad na naman papuntang mall, sa Westgate Mall, tapos kakain na naman sa Covered Market.
Yeah, I wanna eat the Thai restaurant. Next stop.
Kasi kahapon nasa Covered Market kami, kasi hindi kami nakakain kasi Friday, tsaka Lenten season, di ba, guys? So, hindi kami kumain masyado. Bumaba na kami ng bus. Guys, ito na yung River Thames here in Oxford. So yan yung pwede mo sakyan na na boat.
Mahaba pa po.
Mahaba pa ba?
Oh, super mahaba pa po, malayo pa. So we can take a cruise here. Yun yung nga sinabi kanina na parang 25 pounds each. So mga almost 1 hour yun na trip. So ang mahal. So dito lang kami, lakad na lang kami.
May path naman, guys, sa gilid. So maglalakad lang kami para ma-feel namin yung feeling na nagbo-boating. Pati ano yung itsura. Ano masasabi mo?
Ang ganda naman. Maganda siya na river. Clean. Huh? Clean yung river.
Kaso walang mga shop, no, sa gilid.
Oo, akala ko meron doon dalawa yung
Sa
dalawang
labas.
restaurant na
At maglakad pa
Coffee shop.
tayo dun sa unahan. Baka may mga shops pa dun.
I thought may mga mga coffee shops.
So guys, we enjoyed our coffee again. So after namin kumain sa Thai restaurant,
Anong pangalan nun?
Sassis Thai. So uminom na naman kami ng kape. Ito guys, sa Colombia Coffee Roasters. May extra kaming coffee. Okay ba?
He is from
Galing siyang Sub-Saharan Wakanda Davao. Bait niya guys. So, saan tayo punta?
going to the mall.
So, napagod kami sa kakalakad guys.